Namaste to all Jayvin students. I am Jayvin Rajendra Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Engineering and Methodology. Today we are discuss on the classes of AWT. Uh, Previous lecture we normally introduced about AWT, normally AWT classes name. But today we discuss the deeply in the classes of AWT. Basically, each classes have some predefined meaning, and that meaning stored in a package. That name is java.awt packages. The AWT classes are contained in the java.awt packages. It is one of the Java largest packages because it is logically organized in a top-down design fashion. So we start first AWT classes buttons. Okay, the button class is used to create a labeled button that has platform independent implementation. This is a features of AWT. AWT tool is platform independent. The applications result in some of actions when the button is pushed. Whenever we draw a button on your container on your frame and we assign a label name of button using button classes. Okay, firstly let's see we take example of button classes. Firstly we import the package of button classes, and that package name is java.awt that hold the each meaning of Java AWT classes. And here we take a classes name is button example, and these classes have some objects related to this classes, and here we design a main method public static void main. Frame is also a class, and frame create a object f, and f hold the all property of frame classes like set bounds, add, set size, set layout, and set visible. Second class name is AWT label. Normally a object of label class is a component for placing text in a container. We can assign any object for a particular name and particular text on your container. It is used to display single line of read-only text. The text can be changed by an application, but a user cannot be edit it directly. Okay, here let's we take an example related to label, how to implement a label class on your container. Firstly we import the package of the java.awt, and here see we create a class frame, and frame have a object f, name of f, and f allocate the runtime memory using new keyword, and here we write some statement text like label example. Label example is a value of label that are displayed on your container. Level L1, L1 and L2 is the object of label classes that perform the some operations related to label classes. And here you see label 1 L1 dot set bound. This statement to describe the set the bound of your label like left to right, top to bottom coordinator. Same set size, layout, set visible. Here you see a value of true. True represent the visibility of your object on your container. Suppose you set here false, then you does not show any value on your container. And third class is Java AWT text field. Same. The object of a text field class is a text component that allows the editing of a single line text. It inherits text component classes. These type of classes inherit by the text component classes. Okay, same functionality, same property we implement on text field. Set size, set layout, set visible, set bound. Next class is checkbox. Using this class we can draw a checkbox, multiple checkbox on your container, on your frame, using checkbox classes. The checkbox classes is used to create a checkbox. It is used to turn an option true and false. This checkbox classes will provide the facility of true and false to put the value according to. Clicking on a checkbox, let's we take example of related to checkbox, how to draw a checkbox on our container. Let's see, here you see we take a class name is frame. Firstly we draw a frame on your container, then checkbox also frame also contain a checkbox object, and all properties same previous classes like set size, set layout, set visible, and add. Next class is choice. Same. This object provides the choice class is used to show the choice of your requirement. Choice selected by user is shown on the top of a menu. There are different type of choice of a user, then can draw a choice, many choice on your frame class. See here, item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and item 5. These are the choice, and you can add this choice on your frame. And list also a classes of AWT. The output of this scenario, simple program scenario, is listing. Here you see there are different type of item in a frame class. Multiple item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and see. Okay, thank you.